You don't start listening, you about to go in handcuffs. You understand me? Stand right there now.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. A viewer named Matt runs the YouTube channel Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair, where he shares videos from his mechanic shop in Selma, North Carolina. In November of 2024, he was driving a client's vehicle to a body shop to have repairs made to the rear bumper when he was pulled over by Corporal Atkinson and Officer Hein of the Selma Police Department. Matt claims the moment that the officers approached the car, the officers were extremely rude, and he also noticed that neither was furnished with a body-worn camera, and so he grabbed his cell phone to begin recording the encounter. But once Matt began recording, the officers immediately demanded that he exit his vehicle.
Yeah, Pennsylvania versus Mims, man. You gonna step out of the vehicle for me?
Step out of the car?
Yes, sir.
Why am I?
You didn't step out of the car.
You didn't even ask me about it. Hold on. Sir, I know my rights.
Get you out of the car.
Step out of the car, man.
For what?
He's already asked you. Get out of the car. Get out.
For what?
Step out the car for me, man.
As Matt attempted to hand the officer his license, and before being advised as to the nature of the stop, one of the officers reaches into Matt's vehicle to unlock the door and extricate him.
For what? For what?
First off, odor of marijuana. Second off, your plate's expired.
Expired,
And
sir.
now you're refusing orders. Step out of the car, sir.
Hold on. You didn't even
Step out of the car.
It should be noted that North Carolina is a backward state. A 2016 bill declared that police body cam footage is not considered public record, and that it requires a law enforcement agency or other person depicted in the video to petition the court for a release order. In fact, some departments have stopped using body cams altogether because of this bill. Such is the case here with Selma PD. The officers make Matt set his phone down before he exits his vehicle.
Put your phone right here. Step out the car and put your phone right here. That's fine. That's fine.
I'm gonna cut the car off, okay?
That's fine. Do that. Leave the keys right there. You got your ID?
Yeah, that's my license.
Okay, that's fine. You sit. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I just want to know why the hostility.
Step out here for me.
Step out the car.
I want to know the hostility, man. So you didn't have any reason to pull me over.
Matt is now told that his license plate lights are not activated.
What we do, you flip them up. I'm gonna talk with you. So your plate lights don't work at all, okay?
My plate lights don't work at all.
Matt begins pounding on the trunk to see if the lights will respond. With no luck, he then attempts to turn the light switch to see if that was the issue.
Hold on, I'm turning the lights on, man. It's not even my car.
You about to go in handcuffs. You don't start listening, you about to go in handcuffs. You understand me? Stand right there now. I'm done playing with you.
Now removed from his phone, it is difficult to hear the conversation. For a moment, Matt and the officers argue over whether the men can search the car, and a few minutes later, they're back to arguing over the license plate lights. The conversation is again inaudible until Matt tells the officers that they need a warrant to search his vehicle.
I don't have to. I got odor of marijuana.
Well, the car smells like weed.
No, I'm not, buddy.
Now several minutes into the stop, the officers claim that they smell marijuana, which is still unlawful in North Carolina. Their claim alone allows the officers to lawfully enter the vehicle and conduct a search. But the problem with using odor as a means to circumvent the Fourth Amendment is that odor is a subjective experience that cannot be substantiated prior to starting a search. The claim is often used as a pretext for conducting a search when no other justifiable reason exists. But you're still not safe outside of North Carolina. Even in states where marijuana is legal, police often claim the presence of an odor to justify a search, and some courts have upheld the right to search based on odor alone, while others have ruled against it. And now the only thing that is clear is that using smell alone falls short of the Fourth Amendment standards to protect against unreasonable searches.
We don't have to give you a reason, man. We don't have to give you, exactly. We stated a federal, a supervisor, a Supreme Court ruling is what we stated. Well, then you shouldn't have started arguing when we first walked up. Jesus, man.
For nearly 10 minutes, the officers will make a mess of the car, dumping out bags of hardware, scattering trash around the passenger compartment, and eventually, Corporal Atkinson notices Matt's phone is still recording and removes it from its stand to set it down in a manner to obstruct the lens. Corporal Atkinson continues to search the vehicle for another 7 minutes before finally returning to the phone. When a video or picture file is deleted from a smartphone, it does not just simply disappear. Sometimes they upload themselves to a cloud and are easily restored. But on most devices, deleted pictures and videos are moved to a trash or recently deleted folder, where it is then retained for a 30-day period before being permanently deleted. This provides a safety net, allowing an accidentally deleted file to be recovered with ease. Furthermore, the trash folders are often password protected, ensuring that only the owner of the device can intentionally delete exculpatory evidence, and thus anyone attempting to maliciously remove your memories from your property would be stopped in their tracks. Once the traffic stop concluded, Matt was released with a total of 5 citations, which is when he realized his phone was not in the same position he left it in, and the recording of the traffic stop was missing. After entering his password to the trash folder, he was able to restore the mysteriously deleted video. Matt claims that Officer Atkinson admitted on scene to turning the recording off, but did not admit that he attempted to delete the footage. Unfortunately, it will be nearly impossible to obtain dashcam footage from this department without filing a civil claim, if dashcam footage even exists, and without body cam footage on the officers, it's not certain that the officers' alleged actions would be captured. Matt filed a complaint with the department and has a scheduled meeting with the mayor regarding the issue. If anything comes of the case, I'll be sure to provide an update. But for now, let me know what you think of this type of alleged behavior from a sworn officer. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, check out another episode linked on screen.